In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and productive is paramount. Trello, a versatile and intuitive project management tool, has become an indispensable asset for individuals and teams alike. Whether you're a seasoned project manager, a freelancer juggling multiple clients, or simply someone who wants to bring more order to their daily life, Trello can help. It's like having a virtual assistant who keeps track of everything for you. This video will guide you through the essentials of using Trello in 2025, from setting up your first board to mastering advanced features. We'll explore how to leverage its intuitive interface, powerful features, and seamless integrations to boost your productivity and achieve a Zen-like state of organization. Get ready to take control of your tasks and projects like never before. With Trello, gone are the days of scribbled to-do lists and forgotten deadlines. Trello empowers you to capture, organize, and prioritize your tasks with ease. Its visual approach to project management allows you to see the big picture, track progress, and collaborate effectively with others. So let's dive in and unlock the full potential of Trello for a more productive you. Embarking on your Trello journey is as simple as creating a free account. Once you've signed up, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface. The first step is to create a board, which serves as a digital canvas for your project or area of life you want to organize. Think of a board as a dedicated space for a specific theme. You can have a board for work projects, personal goals, household chores, or anything else that comes to mind. Give your board a clear and concise title so you can easily identify it at a glance. For example, website redesign project or personal fitness goals. To personalize your board, Trello offers a variety of backgrounds and colors. Choosing a visually appealing background can make your workspace more inviting and motivating. Select a background that resonates with you or aligns with the theme of your board. With your board set up, you're ready to start populating it with the building blocks of Trello lists and cards. These elements work in harmony to bring structure and clarity to your projects and tasks. Let's delve into how to organize your workflow using Trello's list system. At the heart of Trello's effectiveness lies its simple yet powerful list system. Lists serve as virtual containers for your tasks, allowing you to categorize and visualize your workflow. A standard Trello board often consists of lists like to-do, doing, and done, but you can customize these to match your preferred workflow. Start by creating lists that represent the different stages of your project or the categories of tasks you need to manage. For example, if you're planning a trip, you could have lists for destinations, accommodation, activities, and packing lists. As you progress through your project, you can easily move cards, representing individual tasks, from one list to another. This visual representation of your workflow provides a clear overview of what needs to be done, what's in progress, and what's already been accomplished. The ability to see your entire workflow at a glance is incredibly empowering and helps you stay focused and motivated. Adding and customizing tasks. Get specific. Now that you have your list set up, it's time to populate them with tasks. Each task is represented by a card, which you can think of as a digital sticky note. To add a card, simply click on the Add Card button at the bottom of a list. Once you've created a card, you can customize it with a descriptive title, making it easy to understand what the task entails at a glance. But the customization doesn't stop there. Trello allows you to add a wealth of information and details to your cards, transforming them into comprehensive task management hubs. Within a card, you can add a detailed description, providing further context, instructions, or any relevant information related to the task. You can create checklists to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, assign due dates to ensure timely completion, and set reminders to stay on top of deadlines. Labels are a great way to visually categorize your tasks, allowing you to filter and view them based on priority, urgency, or any other criteria you define. By adding these details, your Trello cards become more than just task reminders. They transform into actionable items with clear context and instructions. Unleashing advanced features. Trello has always been a powerful tool, but in 2025, it's taking productivity to new heights with its advanced features. These features are designed to automate tasks, provide insightful overviews, and streamline your workflow even further. Let's explore some of the game-changing features that Trello offers. One of the most impressive additions is AI Task Predictions. This intelligent feature analyzes your past behavior and project patterns to predict upcoming tasks and suggest deadlines. Imagine starting your day with Trello already populating your to-do list with anticipated tasks. It's like having a virtual assistant who can anticipate your needs. The new dashboard view provides a consolidated overview of your boards, highlighting key metrics, progress charts, and upcoming deadlines. This bird's-eye perspective allows you to track the status of multiple projects, identify potential bottlenecks, and make informed decisions based on real-time data. For the automation enthusiasts, Trello Butler Automation is a dream come true. This powerful tool allows you to automate repetitive tasks and workflows, freeing up your time and energy for more strategic initiatives. You can set up rules to automatically move cards between lists, schedule reminders, and even communicate with other apps. The possibilities are endless. Trello navigation and hacks save time and effort. As you become more familiar with Trello, you'll want to learn some navigation tips and time-saving hacks to further boost your efficiency. Mastering these shortcuts will allow you to navigate your boards, manage tasks, and extract information with lightning speed. Keyboard shortcuts are your secret weapon for navigating Trello like a pro. For example, pressing N on your keyboard instantly creates a new card, while Q brings up a search bar to quickly find specific cards or boards. Familiarizing yourself with these shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow and reduce the need for mouse clicks. The search function in Trello is another powerful tool for quickly finding what you need. You can search for specific cards, boards, members, or even keywords within card descriptions. Filters allow you to narrow down your search results even further, ensuring you find exactly what you're looking for in seconds. These navigation tips and time-saving hacks may seem like small things, but they can make a world of difference in your overall productivity. By incorporating them into your Trello workflow, you'll save valuable time and energy that you can redirect towards more important tasks. To wrap up, we've highlighted essential tips and tools to help you master Trello for maximum productivity in 2025. Don't forget to share your Trello tips in the comments and check out my other videos for more productivity insights.